Welcome to Unit 4. So far, you've done a lot in this course. You've discussed course content with fellow learners, taken your first quiz, and even submitted a case study, so you're well on your way. This week is unique in that some of you will be attending your first residency. I know that you're probably very anxious, but trust in the process. You'll have a lot of fun meeting the people at Hazelden and seeing the graduate school. Additionally, you'll learn a lot. So make sure you bring your laptop if you have one so that you can keep up with work while you're away. Unit 4 covers boundaries, and they are hugely important in our field. All professional organizations like the American Counseling Association, the American Psychological Association have ethical standards surrounding boundaries. Boundaries are important because we are working with a vulnerable population, and we have to make sure that we don't exploit the vulnerabilities of our patients. You have an excellent video on how patients can sometimes push those boundaries. The video has some choicy language. However, it's nothing different than what you would hear in a clinical setting. After you watch the video, the self-reflection this week asks you to put yourself in the therapist role, the therapist who's in the video, and there are a series of questions for you to consider. Topic 2 covers multiple relationships, a connected term to boundaries, which are not all created equally. There are some unique instances where multiple relationships are acceptable, and you will learn about those this week as well. You have an assignment due this week, which is the study guide. Please be creative and explore new ways of studying for your upcoming quiz. Keep in mind that the quiz covers lessons 3, 4, and 5. So you've already completed lesson 3, and you're currently in lesson 4. And lesson 5 is actually next week. Therefore, your study guide is only going to cover lessons 3 and 4 because those are the only lessons that you'll be done by the end of this week. And it's suggested that you work on this assignment in parts, given that you've already done lesson 3 and you're currently in lesson 4. But remember, please don't submit flashcards to the assignment section. All right, that's all. Enjoy. And for those of you who are traveling to residency, safe travels.